Hi, my name is Frank Nucciarino. I'm the owner of Hello Deluxe Car Wash in Garland, Texas. When we decided to get into the business, we looked at many different kinds of equipment, and we eventually settled on working with Mark VII out of Colorado, and we, on this particular car wash, selected the Softline 2 equipment.
We are the very first one in the United States with the Mark VII Softline 2 equipment. Because of the way the equipment cleans the cars, I think it surpasses any other car wash equipment out there on the market. Brushes and the high pressure contours the shapes of the vehicles from the top to the bottom to the sides to the rear of the vehicle, so it'll follow the car so it's not chasing the car, so we're actually getting a fully clean car from all aspects of the car wash. And the high pressure also does the same thing. It contours the shapes of the cars. It's about 6-7 inches off the top of the car, follows the shape of the vehicle, and follows the backs of the vehicles. So that alone gives you a more superior clean car coming out of the wash. I think that was one of the main reasons that we went with Mark VII. Working with Mark VII has been amazing. Their support has been phenomenal. The support they offer, I can pick up the phone and call them, and then they're here within an hour. I've never had any type of support like that in any other car wash I've worked at. It's like 2-3 days down the road. They're just on top of things. They'll help me troubleshoot something over the phone. If not, they'll send somebody out here and they'll get it fixed immediately. So I couldn't ask for, the experience with Mark VII support team is phenomenal.
Of all the things of Mark VII that has made me decide to buy more Mark VII equipment is clearly the people that work for Mark VII. The equipment has been great, but the people have really been outstanding to work with, and that made the decision easy. We are currently either under construction or in development on 2 more sites in Dallas and a site in Stapleton Airport in Denver. And our interest is to grow this many times more. We just have to make sure that we have the right platform down for the first one. And so far, we're very happy with what we're doing. And as a result of that, we're going with Mark VII on all the future sites.